हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, मैं आपका अभिनव और हम लोग आज एक न्यू गेम ट्राई करने वाले हैं। न्यू तो नहीं है ये, बट मैं पहली बार ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। तो इसका नाम है दी वुल्फ अमंग अस। तो ये एक चॉइसेस वाली गेम है, मतलब जिसमें डायलॉग्स हमको चूज़ करने होंगे, उससे हमारी स्टोरी आगे कंटिन्यू होगी। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Today again if you missed it, a record for the date, hottest ever in June, 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than say 73 with 31% humidity, and it is muggy out there.
स्टार्टिंग तो उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छी करी है, लग नहीं रहा है कोई गेम चल रही है, ऐसा लग रहा है एनीमे देख रहे हैं हम लोग। ग्राफिक्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं, मतलब कलरफुल। द वुल्फ अमंग अस, यस यही नाम है गेम का। Sometime after midnight. Okay.
Mr. Toad?
Shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I
तो
don't
इसका
look
नाम
human.
Bigby है।
It's a
Okay,
problem,
nice.
I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm.
Okay, options आ गया। I'm looking at 3 feet toad.
No need to kick
enough
up a
excuse
fuss.
toad. No harm done. तो चलो फर्स्ट वाले पे
I'm
करते
looking
हैं।
at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a problem. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals. You know what I mean.
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
Okay, ग्लैमर कुछ तो बोल रहे, समझ नहीं आया ग्लैमर क्या होता है।
It's not my problem. You're the one risking your entire family getting shipped off. It's completely irresponsible, Toad.
Bigby, please. That's a low blow, mate. All this will be taken care of as soon as the witches are available to cast the spell.
Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
Fucking hell! See? This is what I called you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby,
फिर से ऑप्शन
before
आते
he
हैं।
completely
So
tears
बैठा हुआ
up
है
the
walk
place.
into टाइम ओवर हो गया अपने आप ही।
This is the last straw, Bigby. He has to go.
You're the landlord, Toad. This is something you should be doing.
Oh, yeah, that'd be a fair fight. You're the sheriff, Bigby, and the man's clearly disturbing the peace. Or whatever a Monday cop would call it. Wait, you're not worried about his acts, are you? I know you two have history, but...
I'm not worried.
Right, of course.
Fuck you!
I didn't know anyone else was up there.
ओके, तो हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं। बाय बाय सर।
Furry prick goes shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside!
Oh shit. ओके, हम कंट्रोल भी कर सकते हैं इसको। क्या मिल गया ये? मैच बॉक्स जेब में डाल दो। चलो सैलमोन बॉय की तरह एंट्री करेंगे इन 3, 2, 1।
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
नहीं। God damn you!
ओ धर दिया चाटा।
Whoa, hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid?
भाई क्या चालू है ये?
I'll fucking kill you! You fucker!
All right, what's going on here?
ओ
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
You're drunk, all right? Think this through. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last
लड़ाई
time.
होगी अब?
This isn't last time. Down?
अच्छे से हाँ हाँ नीचे बिल्कुल गुद्दी के नीचे। यस
Go fuck yourself.
तगड़ी फाइट चल रही है। चलो मजा आ रहा है हमको देख के।
Back off, asshole.
Had enough?
At least it's a fucking challenge.
अच्छे से बस लेटा लेटा के मारो, बस मजा आना चाहिए। कि तो एक्स निकाल लिया इसने।
हम समझ गए सर।
मर गया? नहीं मरा?
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground.
Shut up.
Oh, fucking shit. You broke my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best of me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
What are you doing here?
These lips are sealed.
Are you all right?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
Why was he hitting you?
हंकी डोरी? वो क्या होता है?
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Hey! What did I say? I said be nice, or you wait outside.
Come on!
वो तेरी बात कर।
Shit.
चलो वो तो मर गया।
Hey, Toad.
My car.
Yeah. Give me a second. Some things are more important than your car.
Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
मरा नहीं अब तक। ओके मारो मत। हो जा। टप 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 टप। नहीं हो रहा यार, आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा।
Fucking in there! Come on out, you fucking dog!
ओके खोपड़े में एक्स धर दिया। अब तो मर गया होगा वो। मरा क्यों नहीं अभी तक? क्या है ये?
What are you doing?
I'm just getting what he owes me.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you, you fucking bitch.
जिंदा कैसे है ये यार, ये बताओ पहले मुझको।
I guess it's a good thing fables are hard to kill.
Suppose it is.
Shit. Just come on.
हम सिगरेट पीना बुरी बात होती है, ऐसे सिगरेट नहीं पीते।
That's a nasty habit.
You're joking, right? Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
क्या ब्यूटीफुल है
Thank you.
रिबन के अंदर। भाग गया वो, जिंदा कैसे बच गया? उसके खोपड़े के अंदर एग्स घुसा दिया था यार।
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
He hit you. He needs to pay for that.
He's got nothing to give, Sheriff. I checked. Besides, I just swung an axe into the guy's head. I'd say we're even.
Maybe I should be arresting you.
I'm not going to be doing this for much longer. So, now's your chance.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Let's see.
ले
I've
भाई, तू
got,
पैसे ले ले थोड़े से।
20.
हमारे पास बचे हैं पैसे।
58. It's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where I...
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad. Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. I'll see you around, Wolf.
Bye bye, ma'am. खत्म फर्स्ट एपिसोड। ओके, काफ़ी अच्छी गेम लगी मुझको तो, मतलब स्टोरी दिखा रही की अच्छी समझ भी आई मुझे थोड़ी बहुत। ओके, तो वीडियो पे हम लोग 25 लाइक्स का एम रखते हैं। तो करा तो ना 25 लाइक्स तो हवा की तरह हो जाता। 25 लाइक्स वो भी नहीं करा पाते। 25 लाइक्स के बाद मैं इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट लेके आऊँगा। एंड ओके, तो लाइक कर देना और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन भी दबा देना, क्योंकि मैं अभी फ्यूचर में बहुत सारी वीडियोस लाने वाला हूँ। तो तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।